Hello, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today, I am dealing with insomnia. No, not literally. It's only for the songs. You know that in Bollywood songs, especially, there are a lot of the I can't sleep because I'm in love, or I can't sleep because you've broken my heart. Either way, basically, they can't sleep. So, there are tons of these kinds of songs. So, I decided, एक एपिसोड तो बनता ही है इन पे. For the first song, it's a duet, Hemant Da Lata ji, from the movie Post Box number 999. It had Sunil Dutt and Shakila in the lead, and the movie was a crime thriller. It was okay. I mean, yeah. But the song, it's a very, very, very sweet song. So from Postbox number 999, नींद न मुझको आए, दिल मेरा घबराए.
ओ नींद न मुझको आए, दिल मेरा घबराए, छुप के कोई आके सोया प्यार जगाए. संसार है सोया हुआ संसार, सोया हुआ संसार है सोया हुआ संसार. मैं जागूं यहाँ तू जागे वहाँ, एक दिल में दर्द दबाए.
Bin Badal Barsat had a very similar story to Bees Saal Baad. You know, the whole story about a Thakur who will have dallied with the affections of either a tribal girl or a gypsy girl or some such, or a village girl. And, she will have died and the family will have placed a curse on the Thakur's family for generations now, and people dying and so on. Anyway, Biswajit, Asha Parekh in the lead. The movie was truly no great shakes. I would totally give it a miss. The songs were very nice. Hemant Da's music and Shakil Saab's lyrics. And this song is particularly sweet. The hero is singing about how when there is a beautiful girl in the house, how his heart is so full of love that he can't sleep. So in Hemant Da's velvety voice, from Bin Badal Barsat, जब जाग उठे अरमान तो कैसे नींद आई.
तो कैसे नींद आए, जब जाग उठे अरमान तो कैसे नींद आए. हो घर में हंसी मेहमान तो कैसे नींद आए, नींद आए. जब जाग उठे अरमान तो कैसे नींद आए. ये रात ये दिल की धड़कन, ये बढ़ती हुई बेताबी, एक जाम की की खातिर जैसे बेचैन हो कोई शराबी। ये रात ये दिल की धड़कन, ये बढ़ती हुई बेताबी, एक जाम की खातिर जैसे बेचैन हो कोई शराबी। शोलों में घिरी हो जान तो कैसे नींद आए, जब जाग उठे अरमान तो कैसे नींद आए।
Asra, this movie was based on a Bengali movie called Madhyaratir Tara. And it was based on the story of a woman who has a child illegitimately and how she deals with all the problems that follow. Interestingly, the parents of the man whose child she's going to have, they don't even know that it's their son who's the father of this child, but they actually treat her in a very humane manner, and they give her shelter in their house when she's pregnant, and she herself leaves the house once the child is born because she feels somehow that she's going to bring disgrace upon their family. Mala Sinha with Biswajit in the lead. The movie, I would say, is kind of watchable. The music by Lakshmikant Pyarelal with Anand Bakshiji's lyrics, I didn't quite enjoy the music as much. A couple of songs are nice. This song is a very sweet song. It's sung by Mala Sinha in the movie. Lataji playback, of course. When she's initially in love with this young man and she's thinking about him. So from Asra, नींद कभी रहती थी आंखों में, अब रहते हैं सावरिया।
अब रहते हैं सावरिया, अब रहते हैं सावरिया। मुझसे कहे देखो उधर निकला है चाँद, देखे उधर जाने किधर निकला है चाँद। चाँद कभी रहता था नजरों रहते हैं सावरिया, अब रहते हैं सावरिया।
Pooja Ke Phool. This was a remake of a Tamil movie called Kumudam. Very, very melodramatic movie. It was a southern production, uber dramatic, and yet quite enjoyable to watch. It had Dharmendra, Mala Sinha and Nimmi in the lead. And I think personally, it was a Mala Sinha movie through and through. She really dominates in the movie and she's got that kind of presence. She was a good actor and she knew how to draw the eye, so to speak. The music for the movie was very good. Madan Mohan with Rajendra Krishan's lyrics. And this Lataji solo in particular, I think is very, very pretty. It's similar in theme to the previous song, where she's saying that the love of her life is now in her eyes, so she can't sleep. So from Pooja Ke Phool in Lataji's beautiful voice, मेरी आँखों से कोई नींद लिए जाता है।
मेरी आँखों से कोई नींद लिए जाता है, मेरी आँखों से कोई नींद लिए जाता है। दूर से प्यार का पैगाम दे जाता है, मेरी आँखों से कोई नींद
Aman, this was a movie that Rajendra Kumar made. It was a passion project for him because he always felt that war and violence wreaked havoc on humanity, and he was very against, he was a pacifist. He even had Nobel laureate Bertrand Russell, who was also a pacifist, sort of introduce the movie. The movie sadly did not do well. He had set the movie in Japan to show the horrific after effects of the atom bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. I think it got to be too much for the audience. Somehow it didn't, his intent was beautiful, but the execution wasn't quite as he had visualized it ultimately. The music was by Shankar Jaikishan with Hasrat Jaipuri and Shailendraji writing the lyrics. This song is a very sweet, romantic song with a lot of yearning in it. Rafi Saab, of course, singing it so very beautifully. And Saira Banu actually sort of intersperses some spoken lyrics through the whole song. So from Aman, आज की रात ये कैसी रात कि मुझको नींद नहीं आती.
आज की रात ये कैसी रात कि हमको नींद नहीं आती. मेरी जान आओ बैठो पास कि हमको नींद नहीं आती. आज की रात ये कैसी रात कि हमको नींद नहीं आती. मेरी जान आओ बैठो पास कि हमको नींद नहीं आती. आज की रात. मचल उठा ये दिल नादान बड़ा जिद्दी बड़ी मुश्किल. मचल उठा ये दिल नादान बड़ा जिद्दी बड़ी मुश्किल. खुदा को भी मना लूं मैं मगर माने न रूठा दिल. तुम्ही देखो करो कोई बात कि हमको नींद नहीं आती. मेरी जान आओ बैठो पास कि हमको नींद नहीं आती. आज की रात.
Sharif Badmash was one of a string of movies that Devanand made with Hema Malini as his leading lady. And they were all, successes, and this was no exception. It was an action thriller kind of a movie. The music for the movie, R.D. Burman with Anand Bakshi. And this song is again, it's a very cute, playful kind of a song. It's a duet, Asha Ji with Kishore Kumar. From Sharif Badmash, नींद चुरा के रातों में तुमने बातों बातों में.
नींद चुरा के रातों में तुमने बातों बातों में देखो बात बदल दी है.
हम फिर बात बदल देंगे, आज नहीं दिल कल देंगे. भाई ऐसी भी क्या जल्दी है, अरे ऐसी भी क्या जल्दी है.
हर हर नींद चुरा के रातों में तुमने बातों बातों में देखो बात बदल दी है.
हम फिर बात बदल देंगे, आज नहीं दिल कल देंगे. भाई ऐसी भी क्या जल्दी है, और ऐसी भी क्या जल्दी है. बदल देंगे, आज नहीं दिल कल देंगे भाई, ऐसी भी क्या जल्दी है, अरे ऐसी भी क्या जल्दी है।
Maushmi Chatterjee's debut Hindi film was Anurag. Shakti Samanta made this movie. He was very reluctant initially to make it because he wasn't sure that the story would work. But Rajesh Khanna, surprisingly, liked the story a lot and he encouraged Shakti Samanta to make the movie. In fact, he joined forces with him to distribute the movie as well. And he himself acted in the movie in a very extended cameo. He was not the hero, but a very significant role, and he definitely, I want to say, steals the thunder from Vinod Mehra, who's the leading man opposite Maushmi Chatterjee. The music was S.D. Burman with Anand Bakshi's lyrics, and this song is a Lataji solo. It's as though a Gopika is singing to Krishna, saying, the music from your flute is so enchanting that it just has taken away my sleep and my peace. So from Anurag, नींद चुरा के चैन चुराए डाका डाले तेरी बंसी.
नींद चुराए चैन चुराए डाका डाले तेरी बंसी. नींद चुराए चैन चुराए डाका डाले तेरी बंसी. अरे दिन दहाड़े चोरी करे रात भर जगाए डाका डाले तेरी बंसी. हो नींद चुराए चैन चुराए डाका डाले तेरी बंसी. मन में लगे ऐसे आंगन जैसे चमके बिजुरिया बादल में. मन में लगे ऐसे आंगन जैसे चमके बिजुरिया बादल में. चुपके को भी दे जाऊंगी तेरी बंसी छुपा के आंचल में. काहे शाम ढले कदम तले मुझको बुलाए डाका डाले तेरी बंसी.
Hum Hai Rahi Pyar Ke was an Aamir Khan, Juhi Chawla starrer from the 90s. Highly entertaining movie. It was a rom-com with, all kinds of twists and turns and how the path of true love never runs smooth. Both Juhi and Aamir Khan are great in the movie. She is always such a joy to watch. The music was also very, very good. You have Nadeem Shravan giving the music with Sameer Anjan writing the lyrics. And there's a very cute, very young Kunal Khemu also who's acted in the movie. He's got quite a meaty role, by the way. This song, it's played in the background. The hero and the heroine have had a fight and she is very, very mad and upset at him. And so Juhi Chawla sort of sulks through the whole song. It's very cute. And he's also kind of miffed with her. And they go about their daily life with the song running in the background. In Sadhana Sargam's voice, from Hum Hai Rahi Pyar Ke, ये मेरा नींद मेरा चैन मुझे लौटा दो.
वो मेरी नींद मेरा चैन मुझे लौटा दो. वो मेरी नींद मेरा चैन मुझे लौटा दो. वो मेरा प्यार मेरा दर्द मुझे लौटा दो. नींद जितनी भी मैंने खोई है, चैन जितना भी मैंने खोया है, वो मेरी नींद मेरा चैन मुझे मुझे लौटा दो, वो मेरी नींद मेरा चैन मुझे लौटा दो, वो मेरा प्यार मेरा दर्द मुझे लौटा दो.
That's it for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed the episode and I hope I've reminded you of other insomnia songs. For those of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. And for those of you who've not, please go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel and spread the word among your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.